Good morning, friends. Welcome to the part 4 of how to use maps or how to create maps. In this video, we would like to try add calculation and parameters to make a chart interactive. As discussed previously, so this is a chart. I am using the same uh, underlying workflow. Underlying the dataset is of dummy placement data. Now, in this data, this is a view of the data: serial number, registration number, name, date of birth, city, state, country, gender, program, 10, 12, graduation percentage, graduation stream, specialization 1, 2, name of company, and the package. Name of company and package is given only for those students who are placed in one or another company. Those who are not placed have been put blank. So now I'm just going to my Tableau. So I'm opening a new sheet. Here I want to create first a chart of, this is my state wise. I already created a calculation. This is my calculation placement percentage. I'm showing you how this I created. This I created count of packages divided by count of registration number multiplied by 100. This reflect my placement percentage. I put placement percentage to label. So now I want to divide the states into two categories. I want to give the color coding where the states are having a more than a particular threshold should be reflected in a one color, and the states which are having less than the threshold placement percentage should be reflected in a another uh, color. For this I want to use a parameter as well as a calculation. So first I want to use a create a parameter. So I am renaming this parameter as a threshold. So I am keeping this everything same. Okay, so this is my threshold. I right click and say show parameter control. Presently from 1, if I'm making it 50, no change in my data. Even 60, no change in my visualization. So I want to add one more calculation. So my calculation is create calculated field. I want to name this as state wise placement status. So I am using a if command. If placement percentage, which was my previous calculation, is greater than, let's say, 50, then I want to say high placement, else I want to say low placement, and this calculation is valid, there is no error. Okay, so I find there is a one state wise placement percentage, one new field has been added under my measure. If I put to color, I find there is only two things: the color which is of 60 threshold. If I put it 40, uh, there is no change in this. But if I edit my calculation, state wise this, if I edit my calculation, this is added. Instead of 50, if I put my threshold here, I say okay. Now if I say 70, 20, now my visualization get changed. If I say 80, 70, my visualization is getting changed. I want to give it some other color. I can the color coding could be changed, but presently I'm just highlighting the how to add interactivity in the map. Thanks for watching this video.